start the lab, we just need to set up the devices according to the topology, which I will show right here. Make sure to cable all your devices and have a console cable from the PCs to the switches, and also make sure to turn on your PCs. Now we'll configure both switches with host names, no DNS lookup, encrypted passwords, banners of the day, and IP information for VLAN 1, as well as shutting down unused interfaces, setting our clock to 15:30 on the 18th of December 2025, and make sure to save our configurations to the startup config. And we'll run the same exact configurations on switch 2, with the only difference being the IP address. Make sure also to encrypt your passwords and save the running config to the startup config. Now we add our IP addressing information to our PCs prior to our ping test. PCA doesn't reach PCB, PCA does not reach S1, PCB doesn't reach S2, but S1 and S2 can communicate. Now we'll create our VLANs on both switches and verify their application using the show VLAN brief command. We then just run the same commands on switch 2 and verify VLAN creation with the show VLAN brief. After verifying our VLANs are created, we must now assign our VLANs to the correct switch interfaces. We've moved VLAN 1's IP to VLAN 99, which we will verify with the show IP interface brief command. Then we'll do the same thing on S2 and verify the IP address. S1 can't ping S2, the IP addresses are in VLAN 99 and it won't send traffic through F0/1. PCA will not ping PCB. We'll assign multiple interfaces to VLAN 99. Reassign F11 and F21 to VLAN 10. Remove VLAN 99 assignment to F24. Now assign F24 to VLAN 30. Delete VLAN 30. Use no switch port access VLAN on F24. Set F1 on S1 to dynamic desirable. We can now see the configuration has been applied. Ping from S1 to S2 works, PCA to PCB does not work, PCA to S1 doesn't work, PCB to S2 does not work either. Now configure F1 on both switches as a trunk interface. We can verify that they're in trunk mode by issuing the show interface trunk command on both switches. Now change the native VLAN from VLAN 1 to VLAN 1000 on both of the switches. Verify the native VLAN has been changed. Now we check if the VLAN.dat file exists in flash memory. Then delete it from the VLAN database with the delete VLAN.dat command. For 100% on the assignment, switch the S2 F1 interface to trunk mode. My assignment won't show 100% on the video because this is a cut. Here are the answers to the reflection questions for you on the screen. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video or learned something from it, then make sure to like and subscribe, as well as commenting any questions you have. If you are new to the channel, I have a whole series on networking and packet tracer walkthroughs, which you can find right here.